First is prepare your workplace. It must be clean and dry. It must be spacious and as much as possible work with PPE. Apply OHS and procedures to avoid different hazards that might happen. Second is gather your equipments. Prepare all the equipments and materials that you need to use. First is the Ethernet cable, next is the router, and a laptop or a personal computer. Third step is to determine the number of computers you want to connect. If you have 4 or less computers, you'll just need a router. If you have more than 4, you'll likely need to get a switch to extend the number of ports available on your router. Switches are best used to expand the number of LAN ports available on their network. The fourth step is to plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your computer. Be sure you are using Ethernet cable RJ45 and not a telephone cable. The fifth step is to plug the other end of the cable into an open LAN port. This can be any open LAN port on either a router or a switch depending on your LAN setup. The sixth step is to set up your router or reset the router. Just click the small button at the back of your router using a pin or ball pen and wait until all the icons in front will lights on. Seventh step is to connect your modem to your router if necessary. If you're sharing the internet connection from your modem. Eighth step, connect your switch to your router if necessary. Ninth step is to connect your computers to open LAN ports. Use Ethernet cables to connect each computer to an open LAN port on your router or switch. The 10th step is to set one PC as DHCP server if you're just using a switch. To change it to DHCP server, you need to go to Network and Internet. Next is to right-click on your active connection. Right-click on the Select Properties. On the Properties, you need to select TCP or IPv4 and choose Obtain IP address automatically. Your computer will become a DHCP server after that. The 11th step is to verify the network connection in each computer. After each computer obtains an IP address, they will be able to talk to each other on the network. If you're using a router to share your internet connection, each computer will be able to access the internet. Step 12 and the last step. Set up file and printer settings. To set up file and printer settings, you need to go first to Settings, then go to Network and Internet. After that, go to Network Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings and select Turn on Network Discovery. Turn on file and printer settings in private, public, and all networks. And last is to click OK to save changes.